Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see after the market opening, gold left us speechless again. Yes, we are out of words, out of vocabulary here, because right after the market opening, okay, gold was super bullish. And as you can see on the screen, okay, after making a high of almost 509192, gold is right now coming down for correction. So gold is continuing the bull run. So in a previous video, as we have already discussed, okay, many things, okay, and most of the 90% things, okay, became invalid. Why it became invalid? Because gold did not come for retracement. Hopefully, okay, the breakout call above 5000, okay, did well for you, okay, because I bought in the morning. And to be honest, okay, I do not trade, okay, I follow some principles, some rules for trading. Okay, for example, I do not trade before 9 a.m. and I do not trade after 9 p.m. Okay, this is a strict policy that I maintain. And on certain occasions, okay, I'm hardly 4 to 5 days a year, okay, I trade, okay, in the morning. Okay, and today was the day when I saw gold is flying. Okay, I just, okay, took my mobile and placed some buy orders and really got some good profit. Anyways, hope you made some good profit as well, because yes, we were bullish on gold, and yes, gold is still very much bullish. So if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold rushes past 5000 to record high on safe haven rush. Gold plus 5000 to record high on safe haven. Okay, same thing. Okay, gold surges above 5000 an ounce on shutdown fears geopolitical tension. Gold prices climb above the psychologically important 5000 per ounce level for the first time, as investors sought the refuge of safe haven assets on fears that the US federal government may shut down for the second time in months. So US government may be heading towards this second time shutdown, and market is not liking it, as a result of which we can see gold going up. And overall, geopolitically also, things are not very good right now. So all the factors are helping gold to head towards 5100, 2000, or maybe, okay, 5500. Everything is possible. So if you're a swing trader, okay, if you have been holding position, hold your position, because as I said, okay, as we have already discussed in the previous video also, around 5000, okay, we can book partially, okay, or the positional traders can exit. But now we can see the market is heading towards 5300, 500. So if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position, because sky is the limit. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, my dear friend, then obviously buy at retracement or buy at breakout are the two options for us. The best support on the chart of gold is around 5000, okay, around 5000 to 5003, okay, around the yellow box that you see here, okay, around 5000 we can look for best support. In case market comes down for deeper retracement correction, then we can look for a buy. Okay, I'm not talking about the gap up opening here. That gap should be filled. Okay, those days are gone. Okay, nothing is applicable for gold, because there have been so many gaps on the chart. Okay, gold left unfilled. So the normal technical stuff is no longer applicable for gold, I guess. Okay. Anyways, okay, if around 5000 level, we can look for a buy if gold comes down for deeper correction. But chances are very less that market will be showing that amount of correction. So as a day trader, we can also look for support around 5050. My god, we are talking about 5000, okay, levels. So around 5050, okay, we can also look for a support. Why are we considering 5050 and 5000? Okay, these are round number psychological support. Technically, okay, we do not see any significant reason here. 5000, yeah, to be honest, okay, it's a psychological, it was a psychological resistance, now it's a psychological support. Okay, so 5000 is going to play a crucial role, but at this moment, okay, 5050 seems to be a good level for day traders. Okay, so if market takes support around these two levels, we can look for a buy position. At one point, obviously, okay, profit booking will come, but when profit booking will come, from where it will come, nobody knows. So till then, follow the trend of the market and use proper stop loss, because there will be a time when market will start falling big time, but when it will come, from where it will come, nobody knows. So following the trend of the market is still the best solution and safe solution for us. At the time of recording the video, as we can see, the market is trying to take support on 5070. Okay, so if you have any buy, okay, you can buy. But if you're considering any sell position here, I will not recommend any sell position. Okay, at least at the time of recording the video, I do not see any reason for going for a sell, because taking a sell position expecting a reversal can be suicidal. Okay, do not be a gambler. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can buy at breakout. So we can look for a buy at breakout above 5100, around 510102. You can look for a buy at breakout. The black line you see here at the top, okay, above this level, you can look for a buy at breakout. Though market made a high of 5092, okay, we are not considering a buy above 509293, because around 100 level, okay, there may be some sellers present. We are not sure yet. Okay, so there may be some little retracement and you may be trapped. So I think, okay, it will be better for us to buy above 5100, okay, if market goes for a breakout. And as I always say, my dear friends, okay, if market consolidates, then it will be a better breakout, because there is also always a possibility of false breakout. So let's wait and watch. Buying at breakout is high risk, as we all know in this situation. So use proper stop loss and risk management, because whatever goal is doing, okay, we are speechless here. Okay, but we cannot go for sell also, because taking a sell position in this bullish market is, okay, very dangerous. Okay, it can wipe our account. So we will be following the trend of the market, but we also need to be cautious, because anything may happen. So please use proper stop loss. Gold has given us, okay, enough profit, okay, in the last couple of weeks. Okay, so it's high time to be cautious. We will be trading. Okay, for example, today I traded in the morning. Okay, I'm not going to trade throughout the day because I made good profit. But for you also, okay, you need to be cautious right now, because you don't want to lose all the profit, okay, in one bad trade. So do not make the mistake. Use proper stop loss and risk management. And in case 5050 fails, 5050 fails, okay, around this area 5035, we can look for a bounce of $15 or 150 pips here. Okay, 5035. But let's be, okay, hopeful and watch 5050 as of now. Okay, and that's all, my dear friends. Okay, and as I always say, my dear friends, okay, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker, you can consider opening your account with vantagemarkets.com. If you join Vantage with our referral, okay, you will also get access to our WhatsApp community, which is a very premium group, okay, where we share market details, updates, reports, signals, okay, many more. Okay, it's a joint effort from a team of traders. Okay, we are 5 traders. Okay, so, and the name of the group is Momentum Masters. So we are just trying to help you guys. So if you are interested, अगर आपको interest है, okay, you are most welcome to join Momentum Masters by opening your account through our referral, Vantage Markets. The link will be in the description. So thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.